It's a beautiful, relaxing brook after the ridge from hell. All I wanted to do is get off that damn thing. There's no water, there's no views, there's no tent sites, nothing to do, just walk it. Now here we are at this beautiful rolling brook underneath the philodendrons. Shelter's up just a little ways ahead. Probably gonna go past that to a campsite because we want to get closer to town. My friends are running out of food, and the closer to town I get, the better I feel, especially when I'm low on charge. It's the nicest thing I've seen all day since I left the shelter. All right, onward.